Hello all, welcome to my video. And today we're going to be discussing the milk and the possibility of trafficking money onto Summer's body and trafficking meth in the milk or possibly heroin. It is becoming more and more prevalent throughout the United States. Utah says in their report that it is one of the most common ways now for the locals and to move the drugs from state to state and across state lines. The Border Patrol is seizing drugs daily in milk jugs. And I'm just wondering if this could possibly just be a possibility. The milk is not sweating on Summer. It never has been. We've never seen the milk sweat. And there's just something about the milk. Where's the milk coming from? Why is this milk so important? And the milk doesn't seem to be that cold. It doesn't seem to be bothering Summer. And it's the reason she is so heavily patted down with clothes and she looks so much bigger than she normally does. Is she being prepared for a trip? Does she have cash strapped down on her? In Colorado, the little kid had nearly $700,000 in cash strapped to his body. And another one had $165,000 strapped to his body. I'm just looking at this as a possibility and a possible theory. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and thank you for being here.